everyone, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, my name is Darlene. Welcome. Today I'm going to be doing a DIY cluster lash extension review, and I bought these lashes on Amazon. They are by the brand Lashview, and they have a few different sizes. It comes with 8 millimeters, 10 millimeters, 12 millimeters, another 12 millimeters, 14, and then another 14. So that is how they come. I believe this these lashes retailed for, I think it was like $12, so not bad at all, especially considering that they come with all the different sizes. I did make an order on AliExpress, so I have some more lashes coming in from there because they're super cheap on there. It does take like a month to get to you, but it's totally worth it because it's so much cheaper. So if you buy them in advance, like when you already have lashes like I did, then it's fine. So this set comes with some tweezers, which these are really nice tweezers. It also comes with the 2 different boxes of lashes. Then the adhesive, I probably will not be using this adhesive today just because I want to use my Linx because I'm trying to get used to that. But this is what the glue looks like. Let me see what kind of... So it is not the standard, this is like your standard strip lash glue. It is not the micro mascara one, which I love. Okay, so we're going to get right into this. So I'm going to start out with the 14. My hair looks all crazy because I just got through curling it, so the curls have not had time to relax. So if I look a little crazy, that is why. So I'm just going to silence this video. I have a lot of people in my house right now, so I don't want it to get too noisy. And I'm just going to point at the lashes and apply them. And I always put the glue on my lashes. Like I said, I'm going to be using the Linx glue. I will link everything down in the description box below, along with like the tweezers that I'm using, the lash set, and all of that fun stuff, the lashes themselves. But so I'm just going to point out which ones I'm using and apply it. I do always apply glue at the I apply them to my lashes and I apply them right on top of the lash because I apply them underneath. So that's what you're going to see me doing, but we're going to get right into this, and I'm going to speed up this video so that it's not super long. as you can see, that's how it turned out. This is before and after. So I used 314. Let me see what sizes. Okay, so I used 314, then 312, 210, and then 28. So 3, 3, 2, 2. And that is what it looks like. I'll show you from the side so you can get a better view. Sorry, it's just like weird. So that is what it looks like from on top. Just like really, really pretty. So I'm gonna go ahead and do this eye off camera, and as soon as I'm done with that, I'll be right back. Okay, so that is what it looks like completed. I did put on some bottom mascara as well, just to kind of show you what it looks like just completely done. And they are so pretty. They look super natural. I like that it came with like all the different lengths and everything, just because it makes them look more natural, and it's just like not all the same length. These are probably one of the best affordable options that I've actually tried so far. I'll link exactly how much it was. I know that it was under 20. I think it was around like 12 bucks. And it does come with tweezers and the glue as well. You can use this glue. I didn't. Like I said, I used the Linx glue. One thing when applying these, I wanted to point out. So when you're grabbing these, you want to make sure that you grab the whole top of it and then pull down, because if you just grab a piece, you're going to tear the lashes in half. I had two that I messed up because I didn't grab it good enough, because I was trying to show you guys which ones I was grabbing, and because I wasn't just looking at it dead on and grabbing it off, I did do it a few times. So I just want to let you know, so that you don't make the same mistake. I already knew about it, but because I was recording, that's the reason why I did it. And like I said, I will link everything that I used down in the description box below. But that completes this video. I hope you guys liked it. If you did, please don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the notification bell down in the corner below. That way you'll be notified every time that I do upload a video. But until next time, I will see you guys later. Bye. God bless.